Hello guys and welcome back into a new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add the sound on YouTube Shorts. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So the first thing would be is just to open your YouTube web app or mobile app and then start creating your shorts. So from here, I'm just going to click on this one and I'm just going to delete. And basically, we need just to click on this plus sign. After that, we will be able to start creating our shorts. So I'm just going to choose this video, for example, and then all you need to do is to start adding the sound. So I'm just going to click on down, and from here you will find this add sound button. So this one would allow you to start adding songs or adding any sound to your video or to your shorts. So from here, we will find this Browse tab and the Save tab. So if you have found some audio that you have liked and that you have wanted to add it to your own TikTok, you might have save it and you will find it here in the Save tab. In the Browse, you will find recommended songs, and there are some songs that they are mostly used or they have multiple usage. So as you can see for this sound that is used by 19 uh, million shorts. And there is also here the top sounds or the trending sounds. So if you want to go to start using trending sounds or to use trending voices, etc., you can just click on them. And basically, these will depend on your country and your settings of your YouTube. So basically, you can choose it and click on anything and add it, and you can have it there. And basically, then you will click on OK, done, and now you have a song or a sound on your YouTube Shorts. So thank you for watching and see you next time.